being born for a lot of people may be one of the most traumatic things you experience
I can imagine.
in your life.
Sure.
It's profound. And that first breath can be a breath of sheer terror.
Sure.
And that individual may be feeling that terror all the way up until the here and now when they encounter me in my office.
Yeah.
But you've been in that primal scream state since the beginning. We have our first 25 years without a fully matured brain. And all that, we've been alive. We've
Right.
been having experiences.
Okay.
By the time we get to a fully matured brain, our nervous system is so overloaded with unprocessed content. Even though intellectually I understand, like, mommy behaved that way because she was exhausted.
Totally.
Now I get it.
Sure.
But the part of you that was 5 and was terrified that mommy didn't like you, just wanted mommy to scoop you up and hug you,
Yeah.
is still kind of zinging from that feeling experience.
Right.
Practices like this, they're mainly about emotional release, physical release, and lymph. You are cleaning the system by engaging in breath like this.